It is so easy to give, so exquisitely rewarding. John Steinbeck.
John Steinbeck, 1902 to 1968, was an American author renowned for his evocative depictions of the struggles and aspirations of the working class during the Great Depression. Born in Salinas, California, Steinbeck developed a deep connection to the agricultural landscape that would later serve as the backdrop for many of his works. His literary career took off with the publication of Tortilla Flat in 1935, but it was the release of The Grapes of Wrath in 1939 that catapulted him to literary fame. This epic novel, exploring the hardships faced by Dust Bowl migrants, won the Pulitzer Prize for Fiction and the National Book Award. Steinbeck's ability to capture the human condition with empathy and authenticity solidified his reputation as a significant figure in American literature. Throughout his career, Steinbeck authored numerous other notable works, including Of Mice and Men, East of Eden, and Cannery Row. His storytelling often delved into social issues, revealing a keen understanding of the complexities of human relationships and societal challenges. John Steinbeck received the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1962, recognizing his outstanding contribution to the world of letters. His legacy endures, and his works continue to be studied and celebrated for their profound insights into the human experience.